Hey, Scott here, Amazon Influencer. Today I want to give an honest review about something we've added into our home. And if you've ever tried to move furniture around in the house or something heavy, you might have used these in the past, right? So you can slide things across the floor. I want to show you a new product that we've added in our home that has made a world of difference. And it's made by Wellhome. So stay tuned and let me show you how it works.
Ready?
So I want to show you what all you get here in the package from Wellhome. Get it opened up. Comes with some great instructions. But these are the actual movers. Okay, and they got a round like ball bearings underneath them, and these will roll on carpet. If you have a shag carpet, you can unroll this and roll them on top of that. Laminate flooring, they won't hurt it. Grade across tile. We've used it on our floors here that have tile, and even like a rug, you would think that might be hard to move things on, but these roll right across that. I really didn't have any carpet that was really hard for me to roll on. Tried to use the plastic things on this, but these work really, really well. So what you're going to get in the kit is 4 of these, and you'll get the shims that you need. And you know, you'll see my wife using the shims to make it easy to lift things. She did all this lifting by herself, but here's the tool that you use. This also is a great nail puller. That's what it's designed for, but they give it to you in the kit to raise one end of your furniture, and these are a game changer when it comes to moving furniture around your house. So we highly recommend getting one of these for your home. Wellhome puts it out, and again, we highly recommend this. This is a great product. Thanks for watching.